Okay, so today we're going deep on day trading, specifically the NASDAQ 100.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, we found this trader's notes, and they're super interesting. So they basically lay out their entire approach for a trading session.
Cool.
But this is the NASDAQ 100.
Right.
So we're talking fast, high stakes.
Definitely.
For anyone who needs a quick reminder.
Yeah.
The NASDAQ 100, it's like the top 100
biggest
non-financial companies on the NASDAQ.
Exactly.
So think like all the big tech giants.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Apple, Amazon, all those.
Tesla, Meta, all that.
Absolutely.
And day traders love it because it,
moves
a
lot. Traders looking at a 1-minute chart.
Oh, wow.
Each period is 1 minute.
They must be glued to the screen.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so they use this 200 EMA to...
Well, it shows them the longer-term trend.
Okay.
So are we in an uptrend or a downtrend?
Makes sense.
And also where to potentially, cut their losses.
Risk management. Gotta love it.
Absolutely essential.
Okay, so let's get into the actual trades, yeah.
Let's do it.
Their first one, the classic sign of indecision in the market.
So nobody knows
Which way?
which way to go.
Exactly.
And so our trader, they saw that ranging and thought, time to get out. Get out. Yeah, close the trade, avoid a potential loss.
Smart move.
Definitely.
And they mentioned something about a candlestick pattern, too.
Oh, yeah, they saw a pattern that they didn't like.
Didn't like the look of it.
Nope.
So those candlestick patterns...
They can tell you a lot,
Yeah, like those little candles on the chart, they can actually show you how...
Buyers and sellers.
Yeah, the buyers and sellers are behaving...
battling it out.
Exactly. Who's winning? Who's losing?
All that.
Fascinating stuff.
It is.
So, okay, first trade, not so successful, but hey, that's trading, right?
It's how you learn.
You learn from your mistakes.
Exactly.
And this trader definitely took that lesson to heart because their second trade is a winner, and they actually shorted the market.
They did, yeah.
So remind us again, shorting means...
It means they're basically betting that the price will go down.
Okay.
They're selling something they don't actually own yet.
Hoping to buy
it back later at a lower price.
Got it.
So they spotted this pattern called a lower high.
Lower high.
Yeah, so the price makes a peak, but it's lower than the previous peak.
So it's losing steam.
Exactly. The momentum's weakening.
Interesting.
So they went short, betting the price would keep dropping.
And what about risk management this time?
They were smart about it.
Okay, good.
They put their stop loss just above that lower high.
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case they were wrong.
Exactly.
And they'd only lose a little bit.
Exactly.
Smart.
That's very smart.
But here's the really interesting part.
What's that?
They aimed for the Asian session low as their take profit target.
The Asian session low?
Yeah. Now, why would they do that?
Well, it sounds like they've noticed something about how the NASDAQ 100 moves during the Asian session.
Maybe it tends to drop more then?
Could be.
Maybe there's lower trading volume?
Yeah, could be that.
Or maybe some news comes out during that time.
Yeah, who knows? But they've definitely done their research.
They have. They've spotted a pattern.
They've got a strategy.
And it worked. The trade went through super fast.
I did. Yeah. And they hit their profit target, boom, just like that.
Just like that.
Crazy, right?
It really shows you how volatile this market is.
For sure. Super volatile.
You got to be quick.
You got to be decisive. You got to know what you're doing.
Absolutely.
So, big picture, what should our listener take away from all this?
Well, this trader's approach,
Yeah.
It's definitely risky, but it also shows you what's possible.
When you really know your stuff.
Yeah, when you combine your technical analysis, like the Bollinger Bands, the EMA, with an understanding of the bigger market picture, like those Asian session patterns.
And of course, managing your risk.
Of course. Can't forget that.
Right. You don't want to blow up your account.
Nope.
It's like they're not just looking at the charts, they're reading the market story,
Yeah, I like that, reading the market story.
Makes you think, though, what would happen if this trader decided to play the long game?
The long game.
Yeah. Instead of these super fast 1-minute trades, what if they held their positions for days, weeks, even months?
Now that's a whole other deep dive.
It is. Would they still use the same indicators? Would they still look for those Asian session lows? Or would their whole approach change?
So many questions.
So many questions. Something for everyone to ponder.
Yeah, keep those brains working.
Until next time.
See ya.
Bye.